Hi and welcome back to another football shirt review. Today we are looking at the Tottenham Hotspur away shirt for the 95 to 97 season. This shirt was purchased from kitmm.com. All details for the seller will be in the description of this video. As you can see, we have got a name set on this one. I do hope that says Sheringham. Obviously it looks slightly folded in the bag, but yeah, fingers crossed it does say Sheringham and the number 10. I will leave a dhgate link for a Tottenham shirt. I doubt I'll be able to find this one from my usual seller, but I will have a quick look first. But otherwise, I will just try and leave a Tottenham link. The shirt comes in the standard bag. On the flip side, it does have the health warnings. If you are new around here, make sure you like and subscribe. I do these sort of reviews on a weekly basis. You can leave any comments, questions, messages below. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. But as I said at the start, this is from kitmm.com. All details for the seller will be in the description of this video. And kitmm are, I think they're probably working alongside dhgate, who have been around for quite a while now, which is BR, or they were BR fans. So let's get this shirt out of the bag and have a look at the Tottenham Hotspur away shirt for the 1995 to 1997 seasons. Okay, we're at the front of the shirt and it's got a proper collar. Do like proper collars. The usual mess up on the ends, which is what standard, extra bit of cotton there. We have one button there which has got Spurs, and then we have a second one under there with Spurs which isn't done up. Kit manufacturer is Pony, and this has been glued on. It's got like a velvety texture. It's the same texture as what's on the Hewlett Packard actually. Tottenham crest has been embroidered into the material, so around here. It does look quite big. Someone let me know if that's how big it was back in the day. If I zoom out, you get a better look at it. Sleeves have some banding along there which has been embroidered in, and at the bottom of the shirt we have the THFC into the material, so Tottenham Hotspur Football Club into the material. Putting my hand under it, you can just about see it with the light, so it is relatively see-through and lightweight. The material's quite a glossy feel to it as well. It's actually really quite a nice material. A lot of creasing from the bag, but nothing else to worry about. This was one of my favourite Tottenham shirts back in the day. Showing my age a little bit now, but yeah, this was one of my favourite ones. It's actually one of my friend's favourite ones as well, actually. So flip it around and we'll have a look at the back as well. Okay, we're on to the back. We do have the Sheringham Nameset, and yeah, we can now confirm that it is spelled correctly. It was just folded over. Again, there's quite a few creases on the back of this one, but once the shirt's been worn, these creases will soon disappear. This is just a standard vinyl, which has been heat pressed on. And I do like the fact it's got the pony in the number 10 as well. Stitching at the bottom. Looks nice and tidy. Yeah, these feel like they've gone on well. They do slightly stick up a little bit from the material, so you can see where it's gone on, or you can feel where it's gone on, should I say. But all in all, I think that is proper nice. A good, strong collar as well. Sometimes I always say I prefer getting shirts without the names, but these retro ones, I do prefer having a name on them. I think it's just iconic for these sort of players with these retro shirts. Let's flip it around and we'll take a look at the inside of the shirt as well. Okay, we're on to the inside of the shirt now. Collar looks good. You can see where the buttons have been put in. That looks nice and secure. Tottenham patch, or the crest, has been stitched on. Slight joins up there, but nothing to worry about. And here's when I say, sometimes I say heat pressed, sometimes I say glued. When you get this dark rim, you know that that's been glued on. The HP here, again, you can see some of the darkness around you. So you know that that's been glued on. And they feel really good actually on the inside. Nice and strong. Down here we have the pony tag, made in China. It's also got our washing instructions on here. The recommendation with these sort of shirts is to, when you wash them, make sure you flip them inside out. And also when you dry it, just let it hang dry. Do not put it in your tumble dryer, especially when you've got things like the glue of the pony, the glue of the HP Hewlett Packard. and obviously we do have a name set on this one. That's why you always want to make sure you look after these shirts, wearing them and washing. And if you do that, they will last a good amount of time. I've got some shirts now that I've had for three plus years, and they still look as good today as the day that I got them. Even the white on them still looks relatively nice. So I cannot fault any of these shirts so far. Let's flip it around and we'll look at the final part of the inside. Okay, here's our final part of the inside of the shirt. Again, just checking the collar, all looks nice. We have our pony, size XL, and again, washing instructions under there. A standard pony tag with some information on their pony.com and the size XL. Being a retro shirt, the size XL, this is going to fit very much like an XL. Recommendation for me is if you buy a retro one, you can pretty much buy it true to size. So if you are an XL, buy an XL. If you're large, buy a large. It's the player spec ones are the ones that you want to size up on. They are tighter as standard because being the player spec one, obviously they need to be tighter. So I'd always size up on those. Here we have the Sheringham Nameset. This has been heat pressed on, and you can tell that because there's no darkness around here at all. But all in all, that feels nice and smooth. A good win from a Kit MM shirt. Let's flip it around and we'll finish the video. And there is our Tottenham Hotspur away shirt from 1995 to 1997 with the Teddy Sheringham Nameset, purchased from kitmm.com. I absolutely love this shirt, and the thing that I like the most about these retro shirts, if you were to go and buy an official one from back in 1995 today, the quality of it, the condition is probably going to be really poor. You're going to be paying quite a high amount for one that's in a really good condition. And these sort of replicas potentially will not have the kit manufacturer on there. The HP might be different, the badge might be different. All of this will be different because they won't have the naming rights. Whereas when you buy these ones, you get it looking there or thereabouts as much as good as the one from back in the day. So that's why I really do like these retro ones. And Kit MM are one of my favourite sellers. So I've only used them so far. I think this is my 4th or 5th order, and the items have all been top notch. So can't fault that at all. If you have enjoyed this one, hit the like button and subscribe if you're new. I do these sort of reviews on a weekly basis. Leave any comments, questions, and messages below. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. I will leave all the information for Kit MM in the description of the video, and I'll also try and find a dhgate link. If I can't find it for this one, I will try and find Tottenham shirts for my usual seller. But I hope you have enjoyed watching this video. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.